Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Money AI. I'm Enrique, and today I'm so excited to dive into one of the hottest topics in finance right now, AI-powered investing. In this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 AI tools that are perfect for beginners to start investing smart. Whether you've never invested a dollar before or you're looking for ways to make your money work harder, this video will give you exactly what you need to get started. Before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos where we explore the latest in AI investing, smart portfolio management, and how tech can help you grow your wealth. We've got some amazing topics coming up like how AI can maximize your returns and the best robo-advisors for 2024, so stay tuned! Let's face it, investing can feel intimidating, especially if you're just getting started, but here's the good news. AI is making investing easier and smarter than ever before. These AI tools are designed to help you make informed decisions, automate your investments, and even take away some of the risk. So, whether you're saving for retirement, building a rainy day fund, or just want to dip your toes into investing, AI-powered tools can help you reach your financial goals faster. First on the list is Acorns, which is one of the easiest ways for beginners to start investing. Here's why. Acorns takes your everyday purchases, rounds them up to the nearest dollar, and invests that spare change into a diversified portfolio for you. Host, let's say you buy a coffee for $2.75. Acorns rounds that up to $3, investing the extra 25 cents for you. It might not sound like much, but over time, those little amounts add up. And the best part is, you don't even have to think about it. Acorns automates everything, choosing a balanced portfolio, rebalancing it, and reinvesting dividends. Host, this is the perfect tool for beginners who want to start investing but don't want to feel overwhelmed. You can start with literally just spare change, and Acorns will help your money grow over time without you needing to lift a finger. Next up is M1 Finance, which combines the power of AI automation with the flexibility to build your own custom portfolio. M1 Finance lets you create what's called a pie, where you choose how much of your money goes into different stocks, ETFs, or bonds. Let's say you want 40% of your money in large-cap stocks, 30% in bonds, and 30% in tech stocks. M1 Finance makes it super easy to create that portfolio, and once it's set up, their AI automates everything, automatically rebalancing your portfolio and reinvesting your profits for you. You can even set up recurring deposits, so every time you get paid, M1 Finance will automatically invest the amount you choose. It's a great tool for people who want more control over their investments while still taking advantage of AI to manage the hard stuff. Now, if you're the type of investor who likes to be more hands-on, Trade Ideas is the AI tool for you. Trade Ideas uses advanced AI to scan the stock market in real time and identify potential trading opportunities. Whether you're into day trading or long-term investing, this tool will help you find stocks worth paying attention to. Trade Ideas is like having a personal trading coach that watches the market 24/7. It analyzes thousands of data points and gives you alerts when it spots something promising. If you've ever wanted to try your hand at stock trading but didn't know where to start, this is a great tool to guide you along the way. And don't worry if you're not familiar with advanced trading strategies. Trade Ideas has tutorials and resources to help you learn. Plus, you can even test out strategies in a simulated environment before risking any real money. Next up, we have Betterment, a robo-advisor designed to help you invest for the long term without any hassle. Betterment uses AI to create and manage a personalized portfolio for you based on your financial goals. Whether that's saving for retirement, a house, or just building wealth over time. Host, persuasive. Betterment makes it easy by asking you a few simple questions, like how much risk you're comfortable with and what your timeline is, and then builds a portfolio tailored to your needs, and the AI keeps your portfolio balanced, automatically adjusting it as the market changes. Host, enthusiastically. Another big bonus with Betterment is tax loss harvesting. This feature uses AI to help you minimize your tax bill by selling losing investments to offset gains. It's a simple way to make sure more of your profits stay in your pocket. Betterment is great for anyone who wants a hands-off, long-term investing solution. Last but definitely not least is Wealthfront. Like Betterment, Wealthfront is a robo-advisor but with some unique features that make it stand out. Wealthfront uses AI to build a diversified portfolio for you, but it also focuses heavily on tax-efficient investing. Host, explaining, Wealthfront uses AI to optimize your portfolio for tax savings, which means you can keep more of what you earn. It also offers a feature called Passive Plus, which uses AI to implement advanced strategies like direct indexing and smart rebalancing to help maximize your returns. Host, persuasive. You can get started with Wealthfront with just $500, and from there, the AI takes care of everything, from managing your investments to adjusting your portfolio as market conditions change. It's a solid choice for beginners who want to invest for the long term, while benefiting from some of the most sophisticated AI tools out there. So, there you have it, the top 5 AI tools for beginners looking to start investing smart. We've covered everything from Acorns, where you can invest your spare change, to Wealthfront, a robo-advisor that helps you save on taxes. Each of these tools is designed to help you invest with ease, whether you want a hands-off approach or prefer to be more involved in your strategy. Host, optimistic tone. Now the important thing is to start investing today. Don't wait until the market is perfect or until you feel like you know everything. AI makes it easier than ever for beginners to take their first steps and watch their money grow over time. You can start small and build from there. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below to let me know which AI tool you're excited to try out.